Inseedo sprung out of a $4 billion conglomerate. We were the internal IT team there, but then we thought that there is a huge business opportunity. The entire technology space is changing, and we created ourselves. Today, we work with 33 clients, approaching almost 1,500 people in headcount, and working with these clients across the globe in North America, in India, in South Africa, and even in the UK now.
Inseedo is a company rooted in engineering and built by practitioners. We think like clients, and we have relentless focus on all the needs of our client. We are using the latest technologies, the latest tools, and the latest development methodologies. But most importantly, we listen very carefully to what the client needs, demands are, and requirements are, and we construct our solutions and systems to match those and to exceed their expectations.
Inseedo is a company that's focused on the new technology normal. We know that we are in an era where disruption in technology is the norm. So we are also focused on the new age technologies, whether it is data and analytics or it is connected devices working through mobile and cloud. To take an example, with one of our customers in the media and research area, we work on building applications across all kinds of connected devices, whether it is Android, iOS, Roku boxes, Xbox, PlayStation. Across all these, we are doing application development and hosting it all on a cloud platform for content delivery across the globe.
Inseedo is defining the new normal in technology with creative client engagement, creative problem solving, and iterative agile development. We believe that we can solve tomorrow's problems with our resources. Passion for innovation and client problem solving really drives all of us at Inseedo. With that in mind, we've already set up an Innovators Club for data, as well as a data lab and a mobile lab to help our clients solve their problems at our premises.
What our clients really love about Inseedo is the fact that we understand their domain and industry very, very well. We really understand the business that they are into. We really partner with them deeply and co-invest with them and understands the risks and benefits of the business that they are into. Inseedo is very uniquely placed today. We are not too small, neither we are a large behemoth that allows us to be very nimble, very agile, very reactive to our clients' need.
Inseedo has the right type of vision so that they can build software the right way. If you start out with architecture, good architecture, you end up with a good product. And Inseedo is very focused on building the right product.
The reason we've been really successful in the marketplace is our clients admire the business knowledge that we bring to the table, our incredible talent, and because we make it our business to make them successful. That's what we keep hearing over and over from the market, and it's a secret to our success.
Our staff members have an opportunity to develop domain knowledge in one of the most impactful industries today. Our clients are among the most influential leaders in the biopharma and pharmaceutical areas. Whether it's a reporting and analytics systems, data management, or replacing entire systems, we're at the table with our clients, helping to drive their strategy. I think this is a real differentiator. Our developers are very technically savvy, but they also have great communications, and they can talk to the clients in the words and in the language that they're familiar with.